Imagine you're looking at a satellite image of the Earth. You see the vast blue Pacific Ocean, but then right in the middle of it, you spot a perfect dark circle. There are no waves inside it, no light reflects off its surface. It's just a pitch black void. Even NASA, the agency that discovered it, admitted they couldn't explain what they were seeing. This is a story that blurs the line between science fiction and reality. It all started in 2024. A NASA satellite tasked with mapping the ocean captured something truly bizarre, an anomaly, a circular, completely black hole in the middle of the ocean. It was as if a piece of the sea had been cut out, revealing an abyss beneath. When the image hit the internet, it went viral. Speculation ran wild. People called it everything from an interdimensional portal to an underwater wormhole, a gateway to another world. While the public was having fun with theories, NASA wasn't laughing. They immediately sent the image to top oceanographers, hoping for a logical explanation. But the more they looked, the stranger it got. This wasn't a shadow cast by a cloud. It wasn't a glitch in the satellite's camera. It didn't resemble any known underwater volcano or geological formation. The most baffling part. The dark circle remained perfectly still and held its exact circular shape for a full 11 minutes. Think about that. The ocean is a dynamic, constantly moving environment. Water churns, waves crash, currents flow. But this circle had a perfect, sharp outline, completely undisturbed by the surrounding water. As one scientist put it, water just doesn't behave like this. The laws of physics as we know them seem to be suspended in this one specific spot. Naturally, the scientific community scrambled to come up with theories. The first idea was a deep ocean sinkhole, a massive collapse of the seabed. But sinkholes are chaotic events. They don't form perfect circles, and they certainly don't just sit there calmly. They collapse, creating turbulence and debris. This anomaly was pristine. Next, they considered a giant methane bubble bursting from a vent on the ocean floor. But again, methane vents are messy. They create plumes and disturbances, not a clean, geometric shape. What about a new type of underwater whirlpool? A vortex so powerful it defied our understanding. The problem with that theory is that whirlpools, by their very nature, move and distort. They don't stay frozen in one place. Every conventional explanation hit a dead end. So what on earth was it? After weeks of intense analysis and debate, a plausible, though not entirely complete, explanation emerged. Researchers proposed it might be a cold pool anomaly. This is a phenomenon where a large pocket of unusually cold, extremely dense water forms. This super-dense water would have different properties, including the ability to absorb significantly more light than the surrounding ocean. From a satellite's perspective, this light absorption would make it appear as a black hole. This theory explains why it looked dark. However, it still doesn't fully account for the most mysterious part, its perfect, unwavering circular shape. Why would a pocket of water form such a geometrically precise outline and hold it for so long? NASA's last official statement on the matter was telling. It simply said, "We are still investigating this anomaly." The story of the Pacific Ocean's black hole leaves us with a profound and slightly unsettling thought. If a perfect, unexplained hole can appear in our own oceans, a place we think we know so well, what else is out there that our satellites haven't yet revealed? What other mysteries are hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered? It seems that some of the greatest enigmas aren't found in the distant reaches of space. They're right here, lurking in the depths of our own world. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the unknown, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries.